Money and fame are increasingly revealing the true nature of Elon Musk. He is the richest person on the planet, yet he still lives in a rented home that's less than 30 square meters. Other billionaires might have a few villas at least, or even an island, but Elon Musk doesn't own any real estate. It's hard to believe, but it's true. He believes that wealth makes him feel bored, and what he really wants is freedom. So he focuses on a higher goal than mundane possessions, which is to protect the Earth. His first plan is to conquer Mars. He even said that if it weren't for his wife and children, he would prefer to sleep at the company for convenience and to avoid the hassle of renting a house. Truly, only Elon Musk could do such a thing.